I'm sure you've heard the news, eh? Some cats have a wild side, and we're here to spill the tea. Let's talk about the most aggressive cat breeds. First up, the Siamese. These beauties are vocal and fiercely territorial. Next, the Bengal. With their wild ancestry, they can be a handful. And don't forget the Sphinx. No fur, but loads of spunk. Got kids? The Bombay might not be your best bet though. They're known to have a temper. Oh, and the Scottish Fold? Cute ears. Not so cute attitude, but hey, every cat is unique. With love and care, even the feistiest feline can be your best friend. Remember, it's not just about the breed, but how you treat them. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more perfect content. Meow you later.